Hi, my name is Piyush. I'm here studying at ASU, doing an MSc in electrical engineering, specializing in power engineering. And I was really looking forward, specifically at ASU, and quite lucky to get in actually, because the power course here is very competitive and very good quality. And
So where did you do undergrad?
I did my undergrad in Mumbai, Sardar Patel College of Engineering.
And how many years work experience?
I don't have a work experience.
Okay, and what
just
was your undergraduate GPA?
My GPA was 9.45 on 10.
Okay,
Yeah.
so you must have applied to some of the top-notch universities.
Yes, I did.
So where all did you apply?
I applied to Purdue, I applied to Georgia Tech, UC Boulder, and ESU.
Okay, so how did you shortlist universities on your own? Or?
Yes, I had a look at the courses, the coursework, and as well as the feedback from some of my seniors who've been previously studying at these universities.
Okay, so did you not go to any career agency or something?
I did go for some guidance, but not for the selection of universities.
I see.
Yeah.
So what was the GRE and TOEFL score?
My GRE score was 312 and TOEFL score was 109.
Okay, so did you study on your own for GRE?
No, I joined the prep class mainly for the material that they give.
I see.
Yeah, practice.
So where all did you have admission over?
I had admission in UC Boulder.
And ASU.
ASU.
So why did you pick ASU over Boulder?
It's definitely a better course that I found as compared to.
Did you have any funding scholarship here?
No.
So what about at Boulder? Did they offer funding?
No.
Okay. So how do you rate your experience here on 5-star?
As for now, slightly above 4. Yeah.
No, is it 4, 4.5 or 5? I need to put exact.
4.5.
4.5.
Yeah.
Okay. So what could be better? Like
Actually, that also depends on what kind of courses you pick, and you come across something that you didn't expect to study in that course, or didn't expect that course to go that way. So that's not really something like I want to suggest something that should change, but that's just a personal opinion.
okay.
Yeah.
So thank you very much. And did you do any summer? When are you graduating? 2017.
2007. Yeah.
So did you do any summer internship anywhere?
Not yet. Yeah. Not yet.
This summer you didn't do?
No.
Oh, okay.
I will graduate in 2018 actually. This is my first.
Oh, this is your first
Yeah.
semester. Okay, okay. So 2018.
Yeah.
Okay. So thank you very much and best of luck in your career.